Honestly, the way I started was definitely when because I was playing piano, I would practice my pieces and so on and so forth, and then sometimes I would hear maybe themes from shows or like movies that I liked, or like I like playing video games, so I would like listen to the video game theme and like try and play it myself, and maybe take some of the harmonies that I liked that I was hearing and do things with them, and then eventually that sort of became something of its own. I think basically it was improvisation that really got me started. I don't think I thought of it as necessarily writing music. I just sort of liked messing around. Sometimes while I was writing music, as I was sort of experimenting at that time, I think I just like had feelings of, I think, passion for something that I had never really experienced before. It feels to me every single time that I go through this process of like struggle, creation, it just builds more and more. And with every time I can think to myself, well, you got through that terrible string quartet last year, so you're definitely gonna get through this one. So because I think in some senses it's, you know, you can only have grown through each and every experience. I think the struggle itself is kind of joy. I used to always call them like a difficult pleasure, like something that you really, really love that is really hard to do, but it's sort of, you love it because it's difficult. And no matter what you do, there's always doubts and there's always fear. And there's always moments where you wake up and you're like, why am I doing this? What am I doing? But I mean, ultimately, I think it's just a testament to your passion for something and how much you're willing to like pull through those moments and work through them. And I think the struggle is actually part of, I think, the passion. Do what you love. I think ultimately, I think I have that for myself, like in the past, just struggling, just do what you love. And yeah, for other people too, do what you love. I know sometimes, I mean, actually, for many people, there is a lot of obstacles, but I hope you can do what you love.